In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital vision board in Miro. A powerful way to visualize your goals, dreams, and daily motivation all in one place. First, open your Miro board. On the left-hand toolbar, click the templates icon. It looks like a small grid. In the search bar, type vision board and you'll instantly see Miro's built-in template. Click add to board and it'll appear right on your canvas, ready to customize. Now comes the fun part, personalizing it. Think about the goals and dreams you want to manifest, personal, professional, short-term or long-term. Upload inspiring photos from your device or use Miro's built-in image search to find visuals that truly speak to you. Drag them onto your board, resize and arrange them however you like. Add text boxes for your affirmations, labels or motivational quotes. Use colors, shapes and fonts that match your energy. Bright and vibrant if you want motivation, or clean and minimal if you prefer focus. Once your vision board feels complete, take a moment to review it. Save your board and revisit it regularly. That's how you keep your intention strong and your motivation alive. And that's it. You've just created a personalized digital vision board in Miro. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this guide with someone who needs a little inspiration today.